when I come out with my family, what am I looking for if I'm going to find the perfect Christmas tree?
What you're looking for is you're going to remember how tall your ceilings are, how big of an area you have, because trees are like bushes. They're going to come in different shapes and sizes. Some are going to be short and fat, some are going to be tall and skinny. So you need to remember your area, your height,
Okay.
and go for it. Find what you find is special in a tree.
Yes.
And you might find that there's a little hole in the tree. Well, that's where that special ornament goes.
That's right.
Because if you have a full tree, the ornaments are just going to stand there like this. So you're going to want a little bit of air in your tree so that your ornaments hang and
I love it.
show so specially. How you're going to get it home. We've had people come in a little car and get a big tree, and it's like, okay, how are you going to get this beautiful tree home? Tend to strap it to the top of the vehicle, but be cautious when you put it on the vehicle. You don't want to scratch the vehicle. The limbs are fairly soft, but you can get some damage to your car if you don't load them properly.
Right. So once we get this tree home, what are some key care and maintenance for live Christmas trees?
You're going to need to get it in water as soon as possible.
Okay.
So if you don't have a tree stand, usually your local farmer usually sells a Christmas tree stand. But you're going to get it home, and you're going to want to cut an inch to 2 inches off the bottom of the trunk, because it's in the time that you leave the farm till you get home, the trunk is going to seal with sap.
Okay.
And it's not going to be able to draw water. So you're going to do a fresh cut on the bottom, get it in the stand, and get the water going right away. And you need to maintain the water. It's used to getting water constantly. So people are like, it's always out of water. Well, you've got to water your tree every day. You've got to check your water, because it's a live tree and you've got to keep it supplied with water. If you keep it supplied with water, the needles stay in longer.
Okay.
There are nutrients that the tree farms can sell also that you can add to the water to keep it alive longer. But watering the tree after you cut it is just as important as watering your fresh cut flowers that you bring at home and put on your table. Customers, we give them a free disposable bag to go over the tree, so when they pull it out of the house, needles don't just go everywhere.
Right.
And we also give them one little packet of nutrient to get the tree started. It's Christmas. Keep it real. Support your local farmers here in Texas. Go to find a Christmas tree farm and you'll love it.